Hi, I am Sam, and I have come down here from Nashville, Tennessee to get lensoplastic surgery. And I had my first cataract surgery in Nashville. And the practice there, the doctor was not familiar enough with radial keratotomy patients. And so, being a complicated radial keratotomy regression patient, individual, I should listen to my gut and not let him do the procedure, but I did, and that really damaged my eye. So it caused pain and headaches and depression. And after a bit, my husband had searched online to find somebody that really does focus on this, and he found Dr. Gulani. So this is my second time back, and each time we've come, it's amazing as far as the precision and the time that he gives you and the involvement with the person that comes with you. So in my case, my husband, he knows him, he knows about him, he talks to him as well as me about my pre-op, post-op, anything necessary. Doctor calls after the surgery, way late in the evening when he's already done operations on so many people. Very interesting to meet other people afterwards that have had the surgery or similar surgeries on that same day that have come from all over the world. So this week I met a woman from Nigeria, and just so many different countries. So obviously they're doing the same thing, going online, doing their research and finding somebody who cares and who is willing to tackle people like me that have difficult eyes, difficult cases to even attempt. So I'm very, very grateful for having found him, or actually for my husband finding him. And the office is amazing. Everybody that works here, the surgery center, the surgical center, and everybody that you encounter is just so relaxed, and they help you stay relaxed. It really has more like a spa feeling when you walk through those doors and they start prepping you for surgery you're going to have. Very different than what I experienced again in Nashville. It was more like getting rolled in on a gurney, getting placed, having it done, getting released, and then, okay, we'll see you in a couple weeks. That's not like that at all here. So I do appreciate Dr. Gulani and the mission that he talks about and has done for, I don't know, like 17 years or however long he's been doing this. Is just amazing, because he could easily be doing anything else that's less complicated, but he's very dedicated, and I'm very grateful for that.